today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the server rejected error you might encounter when uploading files in Gmail. This common issue usually happens because your Google account has reached its storage limit, preventing new uploads. Don't worry, fixing it is straightforward and I'll guide you step by step. First, open your Google account and locate the grid icon in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon, made up of 9 small squares, opens a menu with various Google apps. Click on Drive to access your Google Drive, which is where your storage is managed. Once in Google Drive, start by identifying files you can delete or move to free up space. Sorting files by size helps quickly find larger items, such as videos, high-resolution images, or old documents that are no longer needed. Select the files you want to remove, then either click the trash bin icon at the top or right-click and choose Remove. Remember, deleted files are moved to the trash and aren't permanently gone yet. To free up storage, navigate to the trash on the left sidebar and click Empty Trash to permanently delete these files. This will immediately free up valuable space for new uploads. If there are files you don't want to lose, you can download them to your computer before deleting them from Drive. This way, you keep a backup locally and can re-upload them whenever necessary. After clearing space, return to Gmail and try uploading your files again. The server rejected error should now be resolved, allowing smooth and hassle-free uploads. Additionally, you can periodically review your Google Drive to avoid storage issues in the future. Removing unnecessary files, using shared drives, or upgrading storage are all effective strategies to keep your account running efficiently. By following these steps, you ensure your Gmail experience stays seamless, with no interruptions caused by storage limitations. Freeing up space not only resolves errors, but also helps keep your account organized and optimized for daily use. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you fix the error quickly. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for tips on managing your Google account more efficiently. Happy emailing!